Listings in the NEC codebook provide additional information and requirements that may not be included in the main body of the code. They are categorized based on their content and purpose. Firstly, equipment listings. All underwriters' laboratories listings identify equipment that meet specific safety standards and requirements. ETL Intertech listings are similar to UL listings and provide certification for electrical products. Secondly, materials listings. ASTM, American Society for Testing and Materials, listings provide specifications and standards for various materials used in electrical installations. Thirdly, installation listings. NEC listings provide specific installation guidelines and requirements for different types of electrical systems and components. Fourthly, safety listings. ANSI, American National Standards Institute, listings cover safety standards and guidelines for electrical installations. Finally, other listings. Other listings may cover specific topics such as hazardous locations, protection against electrical shock, and electrical safety work practices. Listings are typically referenced in NEC using the following formats: article number, section number, table number, figure number. For example, Article 100. Section 100.2 refers to Table 100.2, which provides a list of NEC reference listings. Specific examples: Equipment listing Article 110.2c. Table 110.2c refers to UL listing index E156537. Materials listing Article 330.15a refers to ASTM D228, standard test method for rubber properties and tension. Installation listing Article 300.6c. Table 300.6c refers to NEC listing index E156537 for a listing of possible uses of Type MC cables. Safety listing Article 334.10a refers to NC/NFPA 70E, standard for electrical safety in the workplace. Other listing Article 505.1a refers to NEC listing index E156537 for listing of devices considered as non-sparking.